Every single minute, this factory unleashes a torrent of over 2,000 Jammie Dodgers onto the world. A truly staggering number. Imagine a constant flow of jam and biscuit, a river of red and golden brown. Deep within the factory's heart, colossal stamping machines punch out those iconic heart shapes, while a precisely calibrated jam injector adds the crimson center with pinpoint accuracy. But how do they maintain such incredible speed without sacrificing quality? What hidden processes ensure each Jammie Dodger is perfectly formed, consistently delicious? We're peeling back the layers of this high-speed production, revealing the remarkable engineering that makes this beloved biscuit possible. All right, let's delve into the intricate world of crafting those beloved shortbread biscuits with a crimson heart. The journey begins not within the gleaming walls of the factory, but rather in the fertile fields where the foundational ingredients are born. The wheat, the cornerstone of the biscuit, is predominantly sourced from vast agricultural expanses across the globe. Countries like Canada, Russia, and the United States stand as major producers, their immense plains yielding millions of tons annually. The grain, after harvesting, is transported to mills where it undergoes a meticulous process of cleaning and grinding. This transformation from golden kernels to fine flour is a critical first step. The sugar, another vital component, often originates from sugarcane plantations in Brazil, India, and Thailand. These tropical regions, with their conducive climates, produce the majority of the world's sugar supply. The raw sugarcane is crushed, and the extracted juice is purified and crystallized, resulting in the granulated sugar that finds its way into the biscuit recipe. The cost of these raw materials fluctuates based on global market conditions, agricultural yields, and transportation expenses. For instance, a single ton of wheat can vary significantly in price depending on the season and geopolitical factors, impacting the overall production cost. The sugar price, equally volatile, is subject to international trade agreements and weather patterns, contributing to the economic complexities of biscuit manufacturing. The process within the factory itself is a fascinating blend of automation and human oversight. Upon arrival, the flour and sugar are subjected to rigorous quality checks to ensure they meet the exacting standards of the production line. Large silos store these ingredients, ready to be dispensed in precise quantities. The initial mixing stage employs massive industrial mixers, capable of handling hundreds of kilograms of dough at a time. These machines, with their rotating blades, blend the flour, sugar, and other dry ingredients, such as raising agents, into a homogeneous mixture. This process, while seemingly simple, requires precise control to achieve the desired texture and consistency. The butter, contributing to the rich, crumbly texture, is typically sourced from dairy farms across Europe, with countries like France and Ireland renowned for their high-quality dairy products. The butter arrives in large blocks, which are then softened and incorporated into the dough mixture. This addition requires careful monitoring, as the temperature and consistency of the butter significantly impact the final product. The blending process takes roughly 30 minutes, ensuring all ingredients are thoroughly combined. Following this, the dough is transferred to a series of rolling machines, which flatten it to the desired thickness. These machines, equipped with precise sensors, ensure uniformity across the entire batch. The characteristic ring shape of the biscuit is achieved using a rotary cutter, a large cylindrical machine fitted with custom-designed dies. This cutter stamps out hundreds of biscuit shapes per minute, minimizing waste and ensuring efficiency. The cut-out biscuits are then conveyed to a baking oven, a long, continuous tunnel that applies controlled heat. The baking process, which takes approximately 12 minutes, transforms the raw dough into golden brown biscuits. The ovens are equipped with sophisticated temperature control systems, maintaining consistent heat to ensure even baking. The filling, a crucial element of the product, is a raspberry-flavored jam. The raspberries used to create the jam are sourced from various regions, including Poland, Serbia, and Chile, depending on the season and availability. These countries are known for their raspberry cultivation, providing a consistent supply of high-quality fruit. The berries are transported to jam-making facilities, where they are crushed, cooked with sugar and pectin, and then reduced to a thick, viscous jam. The jam-making process involves large, stainless steel kettles, where the ingredients are heated and stirred continuously. This ensures a consistent texture and flavor, The challenge of maintaining the delicate balance of sweetness and tartness in the jam is significant. The jam must be thick enough to hold its shape between the biscuit layers, but not so thick that it is difficult to eat. The application of the jam to the baked biscuit bases is another automated process, with precision depositors dispensing the exact amount onto each biscuit. The top biscuit, also cut with the iconic heart-shaped hole, is then placed on top, completing the assembly. The historical context of these treats is rooted in the late 19th century, with the original recipe emerging from a Scottish bakery. The early methods were far more labor-intensive, relying on manual mixing, rolling, and cutting. The advent of industrial machinery revolutionized the process, allowing for mass production and consistent quality. The popularity of the biscuit has spread globally, with significant consumption in the United Kingdom, Australia, and Canada. The evolving production methods have been driven by the need to meet this growing demand, with continuous improvements in automation and efficiency. The volume of production is staggering. A single factory can produce millions of biscuits per day, with annual production reaching billions. This scale of operation necessitates a highly efficient and reliable production line. The automation of the process, while reducing the need for manual labor, requires a team of skilled technicians to maintain and operate the machinery. The machines used include large-scale mixers, rolling machines, rotary cutters, baking ovens, jam depositors, and packaging machines. Each of these machines plays a crucial role in the production process, ensuring a consistent and high-quality product. The packaging stage is equally automated, with machines wrapping and sealing the biscuits in protective film and cardboard boxes. This process ensures the biscuits remain fresh and intact during transportation and storage. The logistical challenges involved in transporting the raw materials and finished products are significant, requiring a complex network of trucks, trains, and ships. The sustainability of the raw material sourcing is also a growing concern, with manufacturers increasingly focusing on ethical and environmentally responsible practices. The cost of production is influenced by various factors, including the price of raw materials, energy costs, and labor expenses. The investment in automated machinery is substantial, but it allows for increased efficiency and reduced labor costs. The economic impact of the biscuit industry is significant, providing employment opportunities and contributing to the global economy. The evolution of the production methods has been driven by the need to meet the growing demand for these treats, with continuous improvements in automation and efficiency. The specific type of wheat used is often a soft wheat, which provides the desired texture for the shortbread. The milling process involves separating the endosperm from the bran and germ, resulting in a fine white flour. This flour is then stored in large silos, ready to be dispensed into the mixing machines. The sugar used is typically granulated white sugar, which provides the sweetness and contributes to the texture of the biscuit. The butter, often sourced from European dairy farms, provides the rich, buttery flavor and crumbly texture. The challenges involved in maintaining quality control are significant. The consistency of the dough, the baking temperature, and the jam application must be carefully monitored to ensure a consistent product. The sourcing of high-quality raw materials is also a challenge, requiring close relationships with suppliers and rigorous quality checks. The logistical challenges involved in transporting the raw materials and finished products are significant, requiring a complex network of trucks, trains, and ships. The sustainability of the raw materials sourcing is also a growing concern, with manufacturers increasingly focusing on ethical and environmentally responsible practices. The popularity of the biscuit has led to the development of various flavors and variations, catering to different consumer preferences. However, the classic raspberry jam version remains the most popular. The evolution of the production methods has been driven by the need to meet the growing demand for these treats, with continuous improvements in automation and efficiency. The biscuit, with its iconic heart-shaped hole and sweet, fruity filling, continues to be a beloved treat around the world. Alright folks, that's a wrap on our peek inside the Jammie Dodger factory. I hope you enjoyed seeing how those delicious jam-filled biscuits come to life. It's pretty amazing how much work goes into making something so tasty, right? Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate you spending your time with us. If you're hungry for more behind-the-scenes food action, why not check out another one of our videos? We've got plenty of factory tours and food production processes to explore. Just click on the suggested video right there on your screen, and you can dive right in. And, of course, if you enjoyed this little trip into the world of Jammie Dodgers, please give that like button a good tap. It really helps us out. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, so you won't miss any of our future factory adventures. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite thing about Jammie Dodgers? Is it the sweet jam, the crumbly biscuit, or maybe the iconic heart shape? Let us know in the comments below. Or, if you have any suggestions for what food-making process you'd like to see us explore next, please share those too. We're always looking for new and exciting things to show you. We love reading your comments and getting your feedback, so don't be shy. Let's keep the conversation going. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.